Hey, Coach Greg here, and today is day 4 of our 10-day belly fat blasting workout challenge. This is gonna be a standing workout, so let's get to it. First exercise, we have knee taps. You're gonna stand up nice and tall, driving one leg up, knee, and then all we're doing is trying to tap it with our opposite hand. Bring it over, just like this. Give a nice little twist as well at the top. You can go whatever cadence or speed works for you. Boom, and that is our first exercise. Next, we have a cross body crunch. We are gonna focus on 30 seconds one leg, 30 seconds the next. I'll show you exactly what you're doing. You just wanna step out to one side with your left leg. Right arm over to the other side, hand on the hip, and all we're doing is focusing on driving this knee up and letting our elbow meet it. And at the same time, I'm curling and bringing my hand or my palm to face me. So we're here, boom, just like that. Really drive. And then we'll do 30 seconds the other side. So we're switching, just here. The focus of your elbow is you wanna drive your elbow to help create that torque, and then you're bringing your knee up to meet it. You're really gonna feel it across your obliques, just like that. And then we're gonna finish off with some torso twists. You just wanna screw your feet into the ground. My knees are slightly bent, my core is tight, my back is flat, arms, palms facing up, arms out, and all we're doing is twisting from side to side. Just like this. And that is your workout. So let's get into set 1 right now. All right, starting off with some knee taps. We go in 3, 2, 1, go. So really focus on bringing that knee up. I like to just have my arms already up in position. I mean, you can keep them down, but this feels a little lazy. By having them up here, I'm engaged. I'm really squeezing with my core. Getting a nice little rotational action on as well. So we're getting the whole midsection here. Try not to be too far forward like this or too far back. We want a nice, healthy spine. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we got the cross body crunch. We're gonna focus on our left side. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Really drive that elbow down. Don't worry about like speed. We're not trying to rush through this. This is the first set, so really focus on technique. Driving that knee, just like this. There it is. Feel the crunch. My timer is going crazy right now. Couple more. 3, 2, hold, and 1. Great job. Moving on to our other side. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. There it is. You're doing amazing. You can also have a slight bend in the leg that is doing the anchoring. If you feel like your balance is a little off. And if this is a little too difficult for you, no worries. You could just go back to knee taps if you want, or you can just go to bicycles and you can keep it right here. It's all working out the same parts of your body, just in different ways. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last, we have a torso twist. Feet shoulder width apart. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Really twist to either side. I like to try to see if I can get my pinkies to be facing the top. Just like that. Focus on your midsection. Really squeeze your core. And breathe. Don't forget to breathe. You start to get dizzy, just focus on looking straight ahead. You know, because if you keep turning around, you're like, where am I? 3, 2, and 1. Great job, that's your first set. I'm gonna grab some water, and then we're gonna jump right into our second set. Knee taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross body crunch left. 3, 2, 1, go. Cross body crunch right. 3, 2, 1, go. Torso twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. We got one more to go for the standing fat burn. Here we go. Grab some water if you need to, but we're gonna jump right into it, starting right now. Knee taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross body crunch left, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross body crunch right, 3, 2, 1, go. Torso twist, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was day 4 of this belly fat blasting workout challenge. Hope you loved it as much as I did. I'm getting a little sweaty. I'm ready to go. A couple more rounds. But also tune in tomorrow for day 5 with Coach Gabby. She's gonna put you through a great workout. And also leave comments, let us know what you like, what you don't like. If you're gonna be posting any results or any pictures from this workout challenge, just make sure you use the hashtag #SvelteChallenges. It just helps us keep track of who's doing what so we can celebrate with y'all. Without further ado, I will see you day 6. Have a great day. Peace, destroy the day.